We're going to replace the rear license plate light bulb on a 2012 Honda Odyssey, and we bought the light bulbs at AutoZone. The number is 168. It's long life Sylvania, and the cost was around $5 or $6. The thing you need to do is you need to remove this cover. You just need to get a flathead screwdriver and pop this out. And you'll notice that there are two of them. There are little clips right here that you just need to compress, and it'll pop right out. And then you can just go ahead and pull the bulb out. You just go ahead and pull on it, and it should come right out. Now when you're putting a new bulb in, you don't want to touch it with your fingers. The oils can sometimes cause it to heat up and burn out. So you just go ahead and slide the bulb in and compress it, and there you have it. You then just go ahead and clip it back in, and there you have it. Now there are two of them. There's one on each side. You may have to replace both bulbs or just one of them. The last thing you need to do is just go ahead and put on the cover. You've got these tabs. You just slide it in and then push it in, and there you have it. So it's very simple, save you a lot of money. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and have a great day.